Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable apps that can refresh data in the background on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on General. Next, tap on Background App Refresh. Then at the top here, make sure you turn on Background App Refresh. So either via Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Down here in the list, you can individually select which apps you would like to allow Background App Refresh. So let's say I do not want Maps to do any background app refresh. So I will turn off Maps, so it will not be able to refresh data on the background. And as well as music, sometimes music can take up a lot of storage space. It can take up a lot of data, so you want to switch it off as well. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.